In this lesson, we're going to be talking about converting using a tool called Hackbar. Now, Hackbar is an addition to Firefox, and you can actually see it here. It's just a toolbar that goes on top of the screen. And actually, in order to demonstrate how you would use Hackbar, I'm actually going to make use of another tool called Tamper Data. What I want to do at this point is I'm going to go to a website, and it's going to ask me to log in. And I'm going to get an unauthorized. What I really want to show you here is how to use Hackbar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the response. And that's what I want to get here. This right here is actually base 64 encoded. So I'm going to go up here, and I've just copied that, and I'm going to paste it in. And I want to get rid of this part here. I really just want the base 64 encoding. I'm going to say base 64 decode, and actually it's going to pop up here, and I'm going to paste what I had into the dialog box here and get rid of the authentication equals basic. And let me get rid of this now. You can see what it did was it pasted it in here. If you've got something that's base 64 decoded, then you could use Hackbar to very quickly decode it for you. And I could also do an encoding here, where if I were to type, let's just say user password. And now I want to encode that, and let's get rid of the previous one here so it's out of the way. And this is what user password would look like if they were concatenated together with a colon in between them and they were base 64 encoded. This is how you would use Hackbar in order to do different conversions. You can see we could do hex encoding, we could do URL encoding and decoding. A lot of handy different tools that we've got with Hackbar here. And if you've got some data that looks like it's been encoded in a particular way, Hackbar will give you the ability to very quickly decode that.